Sri Vinayak Convent High Secondary School Taloda welcomes you all over WhatsApp or online classes. Good morning dear students. I am Renuka Chauhan and I am your EVS teacher. Today we will discuss about chapter 2nd and chapter 2nd name is Natural Resources. What are natural resources? Natural resources are useful raw materials that we get from nature. They are useful for us in many ways. Examples: vegetation, animals, soil, minerals, water, sunlight. Natural resources are divided into two types: living and non-living natural resources. Living resources regenerate if the conditions are favorable. For example, plants, animals, crops, forest, wild and domestic animals. Non-living natural resources examples: air, water, rocks. Non-living resources divided into two types: renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources, natural resources that can be replaced in a short period of time. Some of the natural resources can never get exhausted. They are called renewable resources. Example: air, water, sunlight, soil. Now our next type of resources. Non-renewable resources. Some natural resources like coal, petrol, minerals are very limited and we can be renewable but take an extremely long time to renew. For example, fossil fuel, natural resources that exist in a fixed amount that cannot be remade, regrow and regenerate. They are called non-renewable resources. Examples of non-renewable resources: first, fossil fuels, coal, petroleum, natural gas, nuclear energy, uranium. And now our next topic, importance of natural resources. What is the importance of natural resources? First, natural air to breathe. Second, land for getting shelter. Third, water to drink. Fourth, forest, timbers, food, fresh air, etc. Fifth, economic development of country. And sixth, coal give us energy. And next topic is uses of natural resources. Natural resources are important for the development and growth of industrial. Some natural resources can be used directly by human being. Example: air, water. And other resources need to be processed before they can be used. Example: petroleum is taken out from the earth in a crude form. It is refined into various forms such as diesel, petrol, kerosene. These products are then used in homes and industries. For example, people use diesel and petrol are fuel in a vehicle. Second, LPG and CNG are also used in home and industries. And coal and steam were useful energy sources. Sun is an important source of energy. Direct solar energy will always be available to us. Solar energy can be trapped during the day with the help of solar panels. Various home appliances can be run by solar power. For example, solar cooker, solar water heater, etc. Solar energy does not cause any pollution. And many countries have made experimental cars that run on solar energy. And our next topic is conservation of natural resources. Rich countries are using more natural resources than poor countries. Developing countries need to depend more on natural resources for their growth and development. And populated countries are India, China, Indonesia need large amount of natural resources. The rising demand for various natural resources has made them scarce in these countries. For example, cutting of trees and killing of animals have endangered many species of plants and animals. Therefore, it is important that we use our natural resources carefully. It is our responsibility to provide our future generations with an abundance of quality natural resources. And thank you for watching for video and have a nice day.